Hey guys, Brian Schroeder here with Buyers Club. I have Suzanne Luther with me with FasterFunds Lending. Suzanne, all of our people that are going to be watching this video, they're going to be St. Louis area real estate investors. So, what do you do for St. Louis area real estate investors?
Yeah, so I am a local hard money lender. So I do short-term loans to rehabbers and landlords in the St. Louis area. So when people want to buy a house, fix it up and resell it, or they want to buy a house, fix it up, put a tenant in it, refinance with a local bank or whomever they choose, and repeat that process. That's what we do.
So you help people get money to buy houses.
Exactly.
Simple
I'm the
as that.
go-to finance person.
You
So
are
when you
probably
need like
very popular.
yes, most days.
So what makes FasterFunds Lending different than maybe other lenders out there, or why would people want to call you?
Yeah, so I feel like the biggest thing that makes us different from a banker or, like a traditional banker you're getting a commercial loan from or a 30-year fixed loan from or maybe a DSCR lender from is hard money. Like our product is specifically designed for real estate investors. That's all we do. We don't do residential. And with that hard money loan, it's designed around the real estate investor experience to lend off of the value of the property. So we're going out personally, walking the house, giving a value to it. And as long as a client has bought it deep enough, we can fund 100% of the purchase and 100% of the rehab if that's what someone's looking for. Where versus a normal bank structure is going to make you put at least 20% down. They also might take a little bit longer. We can close things quick. If people are pre-approved with us, we can get things closed in 4 or 5 business days if needed.
Wow, those are two amazing things. So potentially financing 100% of the deal and closing in less than a week.
Yep.
That is pretty amazing. I don't know any bank that does that.
No, it's just because this is our product. It's designed just for you as the real estate investor in mind. And that's what we do all day, every day.
Yeah, so those are a couple of uniques. Another one of your uniques is that you are a real estate investor?
Yes, I'm an investor. Most of my team invests in real estate. So we're there to share experience too. So we're not just there to be a banker and give you a loan. We're there to walk the property with you, brainstorm on, okay, is it really cost effective for you to finish the basement when your ceiling's only 6 feet high? Maybe it makes sense to put a bathroom in this space to get more value. We can be there to brainstorm, and we're also there, yes, we do the lending on the front end, but as people are going through the project and something weird comes up, they can call us and say, hey, something weird came up. Do you know someone who could help us? And we can be there to help them with that process as well.
So when somebody buys a house, they have it under contract, and you're financing for them, you're going to go over and meet them at the house and walk through with them and give them guidance?
Correct. We're not just, relying on some third-party appraiser out there. We are personally walking the house. We're not even charging for that, honestly, because we want our loans to be safe and we want to know that our borrower is going to turn on a great project and make more money. Because for us, it's not just one loan, it's a partnership. And we want to do repeat business with our clients. We want our clients to win and make money because we know if they win and do well on their first deal, they're going to just keep coming back.
Yeah.
And that's why, I do what I do. And that's why our team does what we do.
Yeah.
We want that repeat business. We want that client who's just, coming over and over again.
So, when do you want people to reach out to you? Do you want people to reach out to you when they got a house under contract, or is it better to reach out earlier? What's the best way to reach out to you?
Yeah, that's a perfect question. So I tell people, hey, if you're actively looking for a property, get pre-approved with us. Once you're pre-approved with us, then you're good to go for a whole year. So that way, when you do get a house under contract, you're already pre-approved with us, and then we can make the process go super fast and speedy because we've got all your information. Now we're simply analyzing the house. So now that being said, if you're like, well, shoot, I'm watching this video and now I have a house under contract and I need lending, we can still absolutely help you. But it's better to be proactive with us. It just makes the process that much easier for you. So that way you're just focused on the house.
Awesome. So reach out early. And so roughly, what are your fees? How do you work?
Yeah. Yeah. So since we are lending, possibly 100% of the purchase price in rehab, we do cost a little bit more than a bank, but we feel like it's all reasonable. We do not charge a prepayment penalty. So definitely make sure if you're looking at other lenders to make sure you ask about that. But it's a 6-month interest-only loan. We charge 1% a month. And then we have a 3-point origination fee on the back end when that property sells. I know that term origination fee, but then charging it on the back end is confusing.
Yeah.
Origination fee is just a standard term used in the industry. But, our thought process is we'd rather clients have more money in their pockets up front at the beginning of the loan because surprises happen.
Yep.
That's just the way the industry works and how house flipping works.
Yep.
So then that way you don't have to see that come out of your pocket until you sell or you refinance.
Awesome. That all makes a ton of sense to me. So I encourage everybody to give you a call. And thanks for coming in and chatting with us today. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks for having me. We love Buyers Club, and we know it's a great resource for you guys.
Awesome.
Great.